Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Fiat 500 front bumper. First, gather your tools, like a Torx T25 driver and a flathead screwdriver. Next, safely lift the front of your car and secure it with jack stands for stability. Finally, if your Fiat 500 has fog lights, carefully disconnect their electrical connectors before proceeding. Now, focus on the fender liners. Use your Torx T25 driver to remove the screws holding the liner to the bumper. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liners to expose any hidden fasteners. Don't forget to locate and remove all the fasteners along the bottom edge of the bumper as well. Moving to the top, open your hood and remove the Torx T25 screws visible along the bumper's top edge. Next, use a trim removal tool to carefully pry off the plastic clips securing the grille. Take your time here to avoid damage. Double-check that all fasteners, both visible and hidden, are completely disengaged. With all fasteners removed, carefully pull the bumper straight forward to release it from its side clips. It should come off smoothly. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to place the bumper on to prevent any scratches or damage. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.